Hello everyone. So today we will discuss self-learning assessment number 4 of entrepreneurship development and startup. The course code as you can see on the screen. The title of your self-learning assessment is Business Plan for Repair and Maintenance Agency. You have to simply copy as given over here. I think we have already completed one practical about it and wonderful response has been given by one batch. Rest of the batches should come up with the similar kind of plans and similar kind of discussion in the class, or maybe in the practical next practical. So what is exactly that you need to write over here? Executive summary means what exactly the business plan for repair and maintenance agency is. Remember, after giving a good thought about this repair and maintenance agency, I have prepared this self-learning assessment, of course, with the help of Google and somewhat artificial intelligence. But in line to this, you can also think about it, because this is need in all urban area, city area. This is really a need, because there are huge towers coming up, 30-story, 40-story, and there are cluster of towers like Kalpataru and Lodha and all. So you can have good business opportunities in this particular agency of repair and maintenance. So the people from engineering background, they have the scope over here, and from that point of view, this self-learning assessment has been prepared. You need to copy it as it is, but you have to think that positively, that can I start it right now? So our repair and maintenance agency aims to provide high quality repair and maintenance services to residential and commercial clients. Your clients or the customers would be, of course, the different cooperative housing societies from any city, or the different commercial clients that are available, maybe the shop owners, maybe the small workshops, or maybe small companies like that. And you can offer them maintenance and repair services, because every organization has lot of machines. Every household and cooperative housing societies, they have the machines, electric appliances, electronic appliances and all, and they are bound to get damaged, or they might develop a problem in it, and they need maintenance and repair. It may be two-wheeler, it may be four-wheeler, it may be electric appliances, it may be electronic appliances that are available there, it may be the furniture, it may be plumbing, it may be air conditioner, it may be fridge that is available in any household, or maybe any repair and maintenance of any workshop, small organization, small company. You can come up with this repair and maintenance agency. So what exactly you can offer? We will offer a wide range of services, including plumbing, electrical, heating, ventilation, air conditioner, and general maintenance. Our goal is to become the go-to repair and maintenance agency in the area, and known for our reliability, professionalism, and excellent customer service. Remember, in urban areas or in city area, the people don't have time, because they have 9 to 5 job, or maybe they have jobs in their three shifts. And the people travel from western line, the people travel from harbor line, the people travel from central line, and this journey is very laborious and very tiring. And in that case, if there is any problem in the house, obviously the people simply can dial up, and if the service of repair and maintenance is available at their doorstep by just a call, the people will definitely avail these services. And that's why there is a huge scope of repair and maintenance agency, and that's why this particular self-learning assessment has been given to you. So company description. Our company, KCGP Maintenance Services Private Limited, will be a limited liability company owned and operated by Kunal Chauhan and Ganesh Patil. We will be headquartered in Thane, Maharashtra, and we will serve the surrounding area. Our team will consist of experienced and licensed technicians, as well as administrative staff to handle customer services and scheduling. So this is how you have to describe your own company, whatever company you will. But right now, for self-learning assessment, you have to copy as given over here. Services. What services the repair and maintenance company will offer? Plumbing, electrical, HVAC, that is repair and installation of heat, ventilation, and air conditioner system. Now the summer season is here, so obviously this will be in demand. General maintenance, emergency services, 24 by 7 emergency repair services for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. See, the other day, my son locked himself outside the flat, and I had to call a key maker. The key maker was called, and for 30 minutes he walked over there and he charged me 500 rupees. So for half an hour, 500 rupees for that key maker I gave you. Just imagine that he gets 3 to 4 complaints every day. He will definitely earn more than 2000 rupees. So this is the huge scope that repair and maintenance services will have, and you can definitely think about it, because people in urban area, they do not have time, and you can encash on. So market analysis. Before launching this repair and maintenance services, what kind of analysis of market has been done? Number one, the demand for repair and maintenance services is high in our area, with many homeowners and businesses in need of reliable and trustworthy technicians. Our target market will include residential clients, commercial clients, and property management companies. So these are the clients. They have simply made one analysis come survey of the market, that this repair and maintenance will be in huge demand, because the residential area is there, the commercial area is there, there are so many shops available. So all these things you must take into consideration. After observing all these things, the services can be taken by these residential clients, commercial clients, and property management companies, and definitely you can encash on. Marketing strategies. How will you market your repair and maintenance services? Number one, online presence. We all know that the people are crazy about the reels, YouTube reels and Facebook reels and all. So if you can prepare such reels, obviously you will see that your website is there, your social media, Facebook account is there, Insta account is there, Twitter account is there, YouTube account is there, and you can make your presence felt by the people and the kind of services that you offer. So your online presence in this era of mobile evolution and revolution is must, and it has to be very attractive. And whatever services you present, you should be present online. Networking. We will network and with local businesses, property management companies, housing societies, and homeowners to build a relationship and generate referrals. Obviously, you have to visit door to door the social societies, the commercial companies that are available in your area, and you should make them aware that what kind of services you will be available. You should take their contact and you should give your contact, so that they can simply dial you, and whenever they dial you, you are there to give them good service. Advertising. We will advertise our services in local publications and online YouTube and Facebook reels, that just now I told you. Word of mouth. This is very important, because once you do the maintenance work in any cooperative housing society or any commercial shop, these people keep on telling others that this is the person who came from this particular company services and he did a wonderful job. And word of mouth is the best publicity people rely over, and you can earn that confidence. Operations. How will you operate over there? We will operate our business from a central location with a team of technicians and administrative staff. We will use a scheduling software to manage our appointments and ensure that our technicians are dispatched efficiently. We will also use a customer relationship management software to track our customer interactions and provide excellent customer service. So this is how you have to plan, that you should be based decentralized. You should have a lot of technicians interconnected from each and every area, so that once you get the complaint from one particular area, the person who is available in that area can be easily dialed, the way Ola and Uber operate. Similarly, you can have the operations of your own service and repair maintenance services. If you go with that, people will definitely be glued to you and they will avail your services. So financial projections. Obviously, in order to start the repair and maintenance services, you need money, you need capital. So I have given the bifurcation of that. So we project the following financial results for the first year. Revenue 1 crore rupees, expenses 35 lakhs, net income 65 lakhs. Obviously, this is just a highlight of the verification. You have to mention the details of expenses, details of the revenue, that how you will generate 1 crore revenue. And you should also talk about the net income that you would be getting after deducting all the expenses, your rental, your salaries, and using the platform, administration, everything, even the local taxes. Once you pay, after paying everything, what kind of net income, pure income, that you would be generating, you should talk about the projection. And every year you will see that increase in the revenue by 10%, and the expenses will increase by 5%. Obviously, there would be 5% profit. Management team. Our team management will consist of Kunal Chavan and Ganesh Patil, the owners, operator SS Shinde, operation manager RB Pol, and customer service manager Miss Neha. You need to have proper team, technicians and administrative staff. That's how you can make sure that you provide the best service available in the market, because there are bound to be competitors. So what extra exactly you are offering, that will decide your fate. So startup cost, कितना पैसा लगेगा? Number one, equipments and supplies 20 lakhs rupees, marketing and advertising 20 lakhs rupees, rent and utilities 22 lakhs, 21 lakhs rupees, and insurance and licenses 15,000 bucks, and miscellaneous expenses 25,000. So total startup cost would be 6 lakhs 50,000. So this is how you should make sure that how much startup cost you will incur, and accordingly you should organize your finances. So conclusion, our repair and maintenance agency is well positioned to provide high quality repair and maintenance services to residential and commercial clients in our area. With a strong marketing strategy and excellent customer service, we anticipate significant growth and profitability in the year and beyond. Urban company is the best example. I have seen the growth of urban company in front of me. It is simply started in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Initially they gave only the cleanliness services. Later on they came up with the maintenance, and now they have expanded their services all over Mumbai and rest of the municipality areas. So this is the successful story of urban cap. That you can simply google and you will come to know about it, that repair and maintenance is in huge demand, because every other person cannot afford to buy a new car, cannot afford to buy a new bike every year. There are very few people they can afford to, and every household, every commercial shop, they need repair and maintenance, and that's why it would be in huge demand. Wherever you start it and whenever you start it, you are bound to get good returns. The only problem is that you should need the technicians, the plumbers, the electricians, and the mechanics, the AC mechanic, the fridge mechanic, everyone. If you get connected to, and if you make a good database of it, and if you have a good software to get connected to the people of every area, definitely you can come up and start your own model on the line of Ola or the Uber that is available. All the very best. So copy as it is and learn the things that I share.